Hi, let us see some of the working examples on initial value and final value theorem. So let us see this question, very important question. Find x of infinity, so that is final value or steady state value if x of s is given. So here there are 6 questions A, B, C, D, E, F. So let us see these questions one by one. So the first question is given like this: x of s is equal to 1 by s minus 4. So remember that there are two special cases in finding final value. So let us take this as case 1, very important for competitive exams. So let us see this very special case. If poles lie in the right half of S plane. So this is the first case. So very important model for competitive exams. If poles lie in the right half of S plane. So how to obtain the poles? Poles are obtained by equating denominator to 0. So that means s minus 4 is equal to 0, s is equal to 4. You can see that the pole s is equal to 4 lie in the right half of S plane. How to know this? Let us take this S plane. So let us take this S plane. So this is the S plane. So this is called as real of x axis. So this is called as imaginary of S axis. This is 0. So this entire portion is called as right half of S plane. So this portion is called as left half of S plane. So you can find, look at s is equal to 4, you can see that s is equal to 4 lies in the right half of S plane. So therefore if poles lie in the right half of S plane, the final value x of infinity is equal to infinity. So this is the very important case. Let us check the same by taking inverse Laplace of x of s. So therefore what is x of s given? 1 by s minus 4. If you take inverse Laplace transform, what is x of t answer? E power 4t into u of t. So you can check that if x substitute, what is the final value? X of infinity. So the final value x of infinity is equal to e power 4 into infinity, e power infinity. So the answer is infinity. So therefore you have to carefully check the given equation. So therefore what you have to write for the final value? The final value of the given function is infinity. So in this way you have to cross check in time domain also. So let us see the next question B. So that is B. So what is given? X of s is equal to s minus 2 by s into s plus 4. So this is a straightforward question. So you can apply directly the formula. So that is the final value x of infinity is equivalent to limit s tends to 0 s into x of s. So that means limit s tends to 0, if you multiply with s, it will become s minus 2 by s plus 4, it will become minus 1 by 2. So this is the answer for the B question. Or you can cross check the poles. If you check the poles also, one pole is at s is equal to 0, one pole at s is equal to minus 4. So therefore the poles lie in the left half of S plane. So let us see the next question C question. X of s is equal to 2 by s square plus 3. So this is the case 2 of finding the final value. So these are the two special cases you have to remember while finding the final value. If x of t is an oscillatory signal. If x of t is an oscillatory signal. So this is the second case you have to remember while finding the final value. So if you take what is given x of s is equal to 2 by s square plus 3. So you can make it as 2 by, so you can make it as, so 2 by 3. So 3 by what, you can write it as root 3 by, or you can make it root 3 s square plus root 3 whole square. So a by s square plus a square. What is the inverse Laplace transform? X of t is equal to 2 by root 3 into sine root 3 into t. Root 3 into t. So if you plot sine function, you can see that it is an oscillatory signal. It is an oscillatory signal of amplitude 2 by root 3 minus 2 by root 3. So therefore this is an oscillatory signal. This is the second case you have to remember, oscillatory signal. So therefore you cannot determine the final value. So that is what you have to write. The very important is the final value cannot be determined. So you have to carefully check these two special cases. So the final value, what you have to write, which option is correct? So which one we have to write? The final value cannot be determined. So this is the next problem, C. So next let us take the D question. X of s is equal to 1 by s square plus 4s minus 2. Let us take the fractions of this. You can write it as s minus 0.449 into s plus 4.449, or you can find the roots of this quadratic equation. You find the roots like this. So you can see that what are the poles? The poles are s is equal to 0.449 and minus 4.449. So let us look at these poles in S plane. So this is the S plane 0. This is the right half of S plane. One pole lie in the right half of S plane. So this is the right half of S plane. So one pole lie in the left half of S plane. If one pole lie in the right half of S plane, since one pole lie in the right half of S plane, so what is the final value? The final value we have to take it as infinity. Or you can take the partial fractions a by s minus something plus b by s plus something, find out a and b, take the inverse Laplace transform, you find x of t, substitute t is equal to infinity, you find the same answer. Let us check it. So now the next question is E is equal to x of s is equal to 1 by s minus 2. Again you can clearly notice that, so s is equal to 2, s is equal to 2 will lie in the right half of s plane. So therefore what is the final value? X of infinity is equal to infinity, or you can easily check x of t is equal to what is the inverse Laplace transform? E power 2t into u of t. So what is x of infinity? X of infinity is e power infinity is equal to infinity. So this is the, since the poles lie in the right half of S plane. So let us see the last one. X of s is equal to 1 by s square plus 4. So this can be written as 1 by 2 into 2 by s square plus 2 square. So what is the inverse Laplace transform? X of t is equal to a by s square plus a square, that is sine at. So that is the sine 2t into u of t. So what is sine 2t into u of t nature? It is an oscillatory signal. So it is an oscillatory signal. So of positive peak plus 1 by 2, negative peak minus 1 by 2. So therefore what is the final value? What you have to write the final value? The final value cannot be determined. You have to clearly write the final value cannot be determined because it will come under case 2. So this is about finding the final value of given functions. While finding the final value, you have to carefully check case 1 and case 2. Thank you.